as far as I know, AI is a very broad term and a very difficult term to describe. What is going on in those plugins with AI? Is it really an artificial intelligence, or can you call it more like machine learning, or how do we need to look at these things?
Before going into more details here, I think it's important to kind of define what AI actually means. So like really from a theoretical point of view, because there is AI, there is machine learning, there is deep learning, and a lot of people are using that kind of interchangeably. But in fact, AI is kind of the area that's covering all of that. AI simply means that you have some system that's able to perform a task that normally requires human intelligence. This is kind of a very coarse description of what AI is. And how you accomplish this task is on a totally different piece of paper. So AI is the kind of the main area. One subset of AI is machine learning. Machine learning means that it's a system that's learning information from data and typically gets better by learning from data. But it's not defined if this learning is done based on rules or if it's based on other techniques. So this is machine learning. And then deep learning, which is the thing that most people talk about think about when they talk about AI, means that the system is also learning from data, but it's learning without any rules. It's really purely data-driven, where the programmer or the engineer doesn't have to tell the system how to do stuff. It just learns how to do it,
Okay.
like the whole process.
So you're giving the program an input, and you are saying to the program what the output should be. I think that's what deep learning describes.
Exactly. I mean, there are a lot of different applications in deep learning and approaches to do that, but the main idea is that you have some input, you want some output, you show the system, if it's supervised, but yeah, you show the system the input, it approaches some output, and then it compares the output it computed to the output it should have reached. And if there is an error, it's called backpropagation. The whole information goes back through the network. The network is adapted, and the next time you send something in and you try to minimize the error of having some input to reach some output. And that's how you train on a very basic basis such a neural network that's doing deep learning.